Hello students, कैसे हो आप सब? Welcome back to the next series of the lecture 3. So here today we are going to do this differentiation and its applications. Okay, so we know how to find the differentiation in the long method, and today we will learn all the shortcut tricks. So here is the trick number 1. Okay, so if some question will be given in the form of 1 minus x to the power of 2n plus root over 1 minus y power 2n is equal to a power n into x to the power of n minus y power n. If some question is given in this form, then the shortcut trick here is dy by dx is equal to root over 1 minus y power 2n by root over 1 minus x power 2n into x to the power of n minus 1 by y to the power of n minus 1. This is the trick. So here our question is just like this trick one only, right? So root over 1 minus x square plus root over 1 minus y square is equal to a into x minus y. We need to find the dy by dx. So in this standard form, just put n value as 1. Okay, so what we'll get is dy by dx. Why we took n value 1? Because here 2, here 2n. So 2n is equal to 2, so n is equal to 1. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to root over 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square into x to the power of 2 minus 1 is how much? 1. Okay, so here we took 1, right? So 1 minus 1, that is y power 1 minus 1. Since this value is anything power 0 is 1, so we are not writing this. So this is our final answer. Okay, next one. Here is the next question. This is just similar to trick number 1 which we have learnt in this first question, right? So here what we need to do is, here it is x power 6. 6 is there. So we are not writing the entire thing. This is dy by dx. Standard result dy by dx for this kind of problems is 1 minus y power 2n by root over 1 minus x power 2n into x to the power of n minus 1 by y power n minus 1. Tell me what we need to take in the place of n. So here it is 2n, here it is 6. So 2n is equal to 6, n value is 3. So just substituting dy by dx is equal to root over, okay, 1 minus y power, here we took n value as 6, right? Y power 6, y n value is 3, y power 6 by 1 minus x power 6 into x square by y square over next one. Okay, here this is a static kind of question. Here f of x is a second degree polynomial, and if f of 1 and f of minus 1 both are same, and here it is given that a, b, c are in EAP, and what is f dash of a, f dash of b and f dash of c. So here we will generally go by method of substitution, like let I'll take f of x is equal to x square. So what is the derivative? F dash of x is equal to 2x, right? So f dash of a is 2a, f dash of b is 2b, f dash of c is 2c. What we can see is 2a, 2b, 2c. Since a, b, c are in AP, 2a, 2b, 2c, they are very much in AP. So this is our answer. Okay, next one. Here is the next question. If y is equal to sine square alpha plus cos square alpha plus beta plus 2 sine alpha sine beta cos of alpha plus beta. See, here when I see this question, don't get confused like it is some kind of big problem. Here it is very easy and very short. We need to find the third order derivative. So I am taking it, I'll put this beta value as 0. Okay, so what my question will become, y is equal to sine square alpha plus cos square alpha plus 0. We know that this is an identity. My answer is 1. So directly y is equal to 1 is the question. This is the reformed form of this question. So y equals to 1. What is the derivative? First order derivative, dy by dx is equal to 0. Second order derivative, d square y by dx square also 0. Third order derivative, d cube y by dx cube is equal to 0. See, when once we get a 0, n number of times whenever you apply the derivative, you will get the same 0 only. So your answer here is 0. Next one. Here we are doing this applications of derivatives. So first part is only differentiation models. Here it is its applications. So here the question is equation of the tangent to some curve is given and at some point is given. So here is a small shortcut trick. Please remember, here whenever an equation of the tangent to a curve of this form yx power n plus y power n is equal to a power n at some point x1 y1 is given, then equation of tangent is nothing but x by x1 all to the power of 1 minus n plus y by y1 all to the power of 1 minus n is equal to a power n. Please remember this equation trick, okay, for this kind of question. So here my question is root x means x power 1 by 2 plus y power 1 by 2 is a power 1 by 2. Here what is n? We can clearly see that n value is 1 by 2, right? So I'm just putting this 1 by 2 here. So I'll get x by root over x1. Why? Because x1 power 1 by 2. Because 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So x1 power 1 by 2 is nothing but root over x1 plus y by root over y1 is equal to root a over. Next one. So whenever the sum of intercepts kind of question is given, please remember the small trick. If OA and OB, okay, if OA and OB intercept by tangent to x power m plus y power m is equal to a power m, okay, this form on axis means coordinate axis, then OA all to the power of n plus OB all to the power of n is equal to a power n. Okay, so here my question is x power 1 by 2 plus y power 1 by 2 is equal to 2 power what? 2 square. So I am getting the equation like here my shortcut trick is root x plus root y is equal to root 16 means 4 is root 16. So here it is nothing but OA plus OB. It becomes what? 16. 16 is our 256 root, right? So this is my answer. Root of 256 is 16. So this is my answer. Next one. See, just like the previous model, tangents at a point on curve x power 4 plus y power 4 is equal to a power 4. We need to find the value of p power minus 4 by 3 plus q power minus 4 by 3. So again, same story, x power 4, y power 4, a power 4, just like the previous trick. So p power minus 4 by 3 plus q power minus 4 by 3 is equal to a power minus 4 by 3, same. Okay, next one. So here we need to find the area of the triangle formed by tangent on the curve, okay, at any point on the curve to the curve xy is equal to a square with what? Coordinate axis, right? So here is a small trick. So we need to find area of a triangle at any point to a curve 2xy equals to a square. If the form is 2xy equals to a square, then the area is nothing but a square. Means here the model is xy is equal to a square. We will just change the question like, see, when 2xy is equal to a square, then the area is a square. Here it is only xy equals to a square. So we need to just compare 2xy is equal to 2a square. So area becomes 2a square. This one, okay. See the next question, similar one. So here before that 2xy is equal to a square. Here 3xy equals to a square by 2. Okay. So 2xy is equal to a square, then area is a square. I know this. Okay, then area is a square. Here in that 2xy place, here my question, this one, my question is 3xy is equal to a square by 2. So I'm starting comparing this. 2xy is equal to a square by 3. Then area becomes a square by 3. Okay, next one. See, just like the previous model, here instead of 2xy or something, here xy whole power n and a power n plus 1. This one is given. So here my question, so if it is 2xy equals to a square, then my area is a square. Okay, so here it is xy power n is equal to a power n plus 1. I will start compare. So 2xy power n is equal to a power n plus 1. So here n value 1, so 2xy is equal to a square. So what my area? Same a square only, right? Over next one. See, this model is very important. All these are previous year questions. If you know the trick, it will take less than 30 seconds to do the problem, so that we can use this in some other subject. So here is the next one. If the curves, two curves are given, they are intersecting orthogonally. Everyone know how to do this in a long answer type question. So here we are finding small tricks, right? So here we'll write a trick. So if the curves are in the form of a1x square plus b1y square is equal to 1 and a2x square plus b2y square equals to 1, cut orthogonally. Okay, then our trick is 1 by a1 minus 1 by a2 is equal to 1 by b1 minus 1 by b2. Very important. Okay, so here my question just change like x square by a square, that is nothing but 1 by a square x square, 1 by b square y square equals to 1. Here 1 by l square x square minus 1 by m square y square equals to 1. So according to our trick, what we need to do? 1 by a square minus 1 by l square is equal to 1 by b square minus 1 by minus 1 by m square. Okay, so reciprocal a square minus l square is equal to b square plus m square, that is nothing but a square minus b square is equal to l square plus m square. Very easy. This is the trick. Very important. Orthogonal, it is pakka question. See, here we need to find increasing of the function. So f of x equals to lambda sin x plus 3 cos x by 2 sin x plus 6 cos x. This kind of questions is always confusing, because whenever we see that we need to find increasing, what is the regular method? We have to find the derivative. Since this is u by v form, the the derivative will be too long, means vu dash minus uv dash by v square. So here is a small shortcut trick. Okay, so if f of x is equal to a sin x plus b cos x by c sin x plus d cos x is given. If we need to find if f of x is increasing, okay, then we need to find mod ABCD must be greater than 0. Okay, next one. This is the trick. If f of x is decreasing is our question, then mod ABCD should be less than 0. So according to our question, in the place of a, okay, according to our question, in the place of a it is lambda, in the place of b it is 3, in the place of c it is 2, in the place of d it is 6. So our question is increasing, right? So we use this trick. So we'll write mod ABCD must be greater than 0. So we already know this AD minus BC. So 6 lambda minus AD minus BC, 3 2s are 6, greater than 0. 6 lambda is greater than 6. So lambda is greater than 1. Very easy. See, just like the previous problem, this is also a previous year question, is monotonically increasing. So here tell me, what is A? 1. What is B? B only. What is C? 1. What is D? 4. So since it is increasing, okay, so A, B, C, D, we have to find mod should be greater than 0. So AD minus BC greater than 0. So we'll just do reverse, like B minus 4 less than 0, B is less than 4. Okay, easy. Next one. Now here comes this maxima and minima models. So this is very, very important. For the curves is given, we have to find the maximum value. Sometimes the curve is given, we have to find the minimum value. So we'll just note down the trick. If f of x is equal to a sin x plus or minus b cos x, then maxima value is root over a square plus b square. Minima value is minus root over a square plus b square. Okay, if the same question f of x is equal to a square secant square x plus b square cosecant square x is given, then minima value is a plus b whole square. If the same question f of x is equal to a secant x plus b cosecant x is given, then minima value is a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3, okay, whole power 3 by 2. Okay, this is the trick. So here we will come back to our question. So c square by r square is equal to a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta. We'll just refine our question. So this is nothing but, okay, wait. So here it is c power 4. Okay, so we'll just refine our question. So it becomes c4 by r square is equal to a square. Here it is 1 by sin square theta, that is nothing but cosecant square theta plus b square 1 by cos square theta, that is secant square theta. So tell me, what is r square? So r square becomes c power 4 by a square cosecant square theta plus b square secant square theta. Okay, so we need to find this r square maximum. Like r square, if we need to get maximum, then that is nothing but c4 by a square cosecant square theta plus b square secant square theta. For this we need to get the minimum. So that is nothing but c4 by a plus b whole square. So r max is nothing but, means we have to apply the square root. So c square by a plus b. Very, very important. See, up to here this is the trick. Okay, only for understanding purpose we are writing all these steps. Otherwise we will do this question under 30 sec. Okay, next one. See, the same old model, we have to find the greatest value of this function y is equal to sin 2x by sin of x plus pi by 4. So just like the previous model, we will just polish our question. Here it is sin 2x. Sin 2x means what? 2 sin x cos x. We already know the formula. Very nice. By. So sin x plus pi by 4. So this is in the form of sin a plus b. Sin a plus b means what? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So sin a cos b, that is nothing but 1 by root 2. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, that is root 1 by root 2. So here it becomes 2 root 2 by secant x plus cosecant x. Why did we get here? So this is because root 2 goes to the numerator, that becomes 2 root 2. So here this is nothing but sin x cos x, and in the denominator we have sin x plus cos x. So we got 1 by cos, that is secant, and 1 by sin, that is cosecant. So that is the reason we wrote like this. So here we need y max is 2 root 2 by secant x plus cosecant x here we need to get the min. So that is nothing but 2 root 2 by 1 power 2 by 3 plus 1 power 2 by 3, 1 power 2 by 3, all to the power of 3 by 2. That is nothing but 2 root 2 by 1 power something is 1, 1 power something is 1. So that is nothing but, see, the denominator is 2 power 3 by 2. 2 power 3 by 2 is what? 2 root 2 only. So we'll get the answer 1. Okay, next one. See, whenever a question in this form, like sum of two positive numbers is some number, then we have to find the maximum value of the product. So whenever the sum of two positive numbers is given and their product is maximum, then what we need to do is, the trick here is divide the given number into equal parts. So what is the number here? It is 6. So we have to divide that 6. X plus y is equal to 6 is given. So we have to divide it into equal parts. So we need to find z max is equal to 3 into 3. That is 9. Okay, next one. Okay, so if AB are positive and A plus B equals to pi by 6, that is 30, then we have to find the minimum value. Okay, it is not maximum here, it is minimum value. Minimum value of tan A plus tan B. This is a previous year question that is asked in 2016 once and 2019 and 2020. So this is a repeated question. So here A plus B equals to pi by 6 is given. So we have to divide it equal parts. A equals to B equals to pi by 12. Okay. So here tan A plus tan B, we need to get this maximum value. That is nothing but tan pi by 12 plus tan pi by 12. That is nothing but 2 tan pi by 12. So 2 into tan pi by 12 value, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Just remember this. So that is nothing but 4 minus 2 root 3. How I got this? After rationalization. Next one. See, if some curve xy equals to c square is given and we have to find the maximum value of ax plus by. So finding the maximum and minimum value, we have to use a small trick that is nothing but arithmetic mean is always greater than or equals to geometric mean. So here, what is arithmetic mean? Ax plus by. Ax plus by by 2. What is the geometric mean for ax plus by? That one, ax into by. So that is nothing but ax plus by is greater than or equals to 2c into root over ab, because it is already given that xy equals to c square. So over. Next one. See the just similar model. Okay, maximum value of xy we need to find. For this curve, a square x power 4 plus b square y power 4 is equal to c power 6. So we already wrote the trick. Am is always greater than or equals to gm. So a square x power 4 plus b square y power 4 by 2 is always greater than or equals to root over a square x power 4 into b square y power 4. Okay, so since a square x power 4 plus b square y power 4 is already given, it is c power 6. So c power 6 by 2 is greater than or equals to ab x square y square. You know how we wrote this. Okay, square root. So here this is nothing but c cube by root over 2ab is greater than or equals to xy over. Next one. See the same old story. Xy equals to a square and b square x plus c square y. We have to find minimum value. So trick is same. Am is greater than or equals to gm. So b square x plus c square y by 2 is greater than or equals to root over b square x into c square y. So that is nothing but, it is already given, it is, this value is s. So s is greater than or equals to 2abc, because since xy is equal to a square given. Okay, next one. See the next question. P and Q are positive numbers. Okay, p square plus q square equals to 1. We have to find the maximum value. So when I see this, I am getting something into mind, that is nothing but identities. So I'll take P is sin theta and Q as cos theta. So P plus Q is equal to sin theta plus cos theta. We already wrote before the trick. We have to find maximum value, that is nothing but root over a square, that is 1 square, plus b square, that is 1 square, that is root. Okay, next one. See, x square plus y square equals to 1. That is nothing but identity, right? That should come into our mind. X is equal to sin theta, y is equal to cos theta. The question is given 7x square plus 4xy plus 3y square. So that is nothing but 7 sin square theta plus 4 sin theta cos theta plus 3 cos square theta. Okay, very nice. 7 into. So we need to turn this entire thing into. So 7 sin square theta I will write like 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. This one I am writing like this. Plus 4 sin theta cos theta, I am writing it as 2 into sin 2 theta, because 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, plus 3 into cos square theta. I already know the formula, 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, so by LCM and all these things we will get 2 cos 2 theta plus 2 sin 2 theta plus 5. Okay, we already wrote the trick before. So maximum value is 5 plus 2 root 2. How I got this 2 root 2? This 5 plus root over this one square plus this one square, 2 square plus 2 square, 5 plus root over 8. So root 8 is nothing but 5 plus 2 root 2. Okay, remember it. So min value is 5 minus 2 root 2. Okay, next one. See, again we have to find the minimum value of x by a plus y by b equals to 1. Whenever we see this x by a, y by b equals to 1, I can picturize this like this. This is the graph. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis, this point is some p, xy point. Okay, distance p, and this is the origin, and this is the distance a, this is the distance b. So the minimum distance from origin, okay, the minimum distance from origin to line is nothing but the perpendicular bisector. That is nothing but perpendicular distance. So we know perpendicular bisector formula, mod c by root over a square plus b square. Here this is a, this is b, ax plus by is equal to c. So here this is the formula, mod c by root over a square plus b square is equal to root over x square plus y square. Okay, for this. So x square plus y square is equal to a square b square by a square plus b square. Okay. So in this way we have done all the models and all the shortcut tricks for the previous year questions of this differentiation and the application of derivatives chapter. So these are all PYQs, previous year questions. So very important. So whenever you have any doubt, if you have any doubt, just write it in the comments. So, or if you need any other subject or any other chapter, please let me know, so that we are ready to help you and we will make a video soon. Thank you so much.